You can set up your own custom listen URL with Media Server CP. This tutorial will also guide you through the certificate installation process. Let's begin. Navigate to your stream's configuration page. It's best to use the hostname if available. Go ahead and copy the hostname to your clipboard. If the hostname is not available, we can use the IP address and create an A record instead. In this example, we will be using the CNAME method. Next, you'll need to add a CNAME to your domain name DNS. Now go back to the configuration page and change the hostname to your new custom domain. Next, create a new certificate using your custom domain name. You can use any provider you like. For free certificates, try 0ssl.com. For premium seals and longer periods between registration, we highly recommend hiredhosting.com. Download your certificate package and don't forget to unzip. Open both the certificate and private key using Notepad. Be sure you copy and paste everything in the files and into the corresponding fields. Use the same process for both the certificate and private keys. Save your changes, go back to the main page and restart both your server and Auto DJ. Now click on the Status Site button to bring up your server page. Change the link from HTTP to HTTPS and confirm the page is online and secure. If you have any problems, go back to the main panel page, stop and restart both the server and Auto DJ again.